Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg uggani. First, let's prepare the poha. Take about 1.5 cups of medium or thick poha and rinse it gently under running water for about 30 seconds. Then, let it soak in a bowl with just enough water to cover it for about 5 minutes. Make sure to drain all the excess water thoroughly before moving on. Next, we'll get our eggs and vegetables ready. In a separate pan, scramble 2 to 3 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until they are just cooked through, then set them aside. Finally, chop 1 medium onion and 2 green chilies. Also, have your turmeric powder, red chili powder, and mustard seeds ready for the next step. Now, let's start cooking the base for our uggani. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan or kadai. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few fresh curry leaves. Let them splutter for a few seconds. Then, add the chopped onions and green chilies, sautéing them until they turn translucent and soft, which takes about 5 minutes. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste to the sautéed onions. Mix well. Then, gently fold in the soaked poha and the scrambled eggs. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring everything is well combined and heated through. Garnish with fresh coriander and serve your delicious egg uggani hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.